imagine you just waking up, your girlfriend calls you for brunch, and you got to be on the way in like less than 45 minutes. This is such an easy, cute unit to throw on, especially for the summertime. It's really nice and warm, just really convenient for the summertime or any season that is. Hey mamas, in today's video I'll be working with Nadula Hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 12-inch 6x4.5 pre-cut lace closure bob unit in the texture straight Yaki or Yaki straight, and this is just what I did with it. I'm so in love with this unit. The hair feels so nice and soft, and I have this unit put on 100% glueless today, so I literally could just poke my comb up in there. It's no adhesive, no temporary lace adhesive spray, absolutely nothing. This wig is secured by the band that is in it back, the adjustable band that is, so I can reposition my lace to anyhow I want it. I can do a side part, I can keep this middle part. This unit is really nice and versatile and super affordable, so if you'd like to go ahead and see how I did this quick and easy glueless install, and if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box. And let's jump into today's tutorial so I could show you how to get your Nadula glueless unit looking just like this.
Wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh.
Alright, you guys, So this is the finished look, and this gorgeous unit is from Nadula Hair. This closure unit was super easy to work with. I literally dragged it on as soon as I took it out the pack, so I did no bleaching. And in order to camouflage the knots, I went ahead and tinted with this Ebon Lace tint, and then I also used my Danessa Myricks cream foundation to go ahead and blend those knots in where the part is, so everything is just nice and seamless. I'm honestly living for this look. The light yaki texture is reminding me of a fresh perm or a fresh blowout and straighten, and I am loving this texture. Feels very nice and smooth, and I am straightening with my very hot Babyliss Pro flat iron on the highest heat level, and honey, it's got this bob really nice and straight, and the texture is definitely still there. But honestly, I am just loving this look overall. It's really summertime friendly. Now let's talk about this ventilated cap real quick, because honey, if you are a lazy girl and you just want to oil your scalp through the wig, you can do that. If you decided to glue this unit on, which you don't have to because it is 100% glueless, you literally can just drop them oil drops in your hair and you'll be good to go. Like, this unit is perfect. And if you'd like to purchase it, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babe.
Nadula,